Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Trending Products. Today I will tell you about 5 cool smartphone gadgets. But before that, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for updates. Let's start. On number 1, Monocooler Telescope. A full 12x magnification and 50 mm object lenses diameter monocooler provides a clear and bright image so you can enjoy the beauty of distance. Vivral Monocular Telescope has the large field of view about 360 feet and 1000 yards. Have the best view in your outdoor adventures. Just feel free to enjoy bird watching, hunting, hiking, camping, traveling, wildlife, etc. The weight of HD Monocooler is only 0.61 pounds, that is lightweight and portable. Monocular scope can even be put in your backpack, then you can take it to anywhere. Comes with the 2020 newest quick alignment smartphone holder and tripods. Perfect for almost all smartphones of the market. Also, it is waterproof, fog-proof and have 2-year warranty service. On number 2, Snap 2 Bluetooth Selfie. Bluetooth shutter remote feature make it easy to take photos at the snap of the button. Capture the perfect moment with the 3 continuous shoots in the triple burst mode. Snap it securely in place with a built-in magnet and includes self-adhesive magnet strip placed on your mobile. Snap 2 lies flat against your mobile for easy access while on the move. Sketch and write with precision to add a personal touch to your photos, Instagram and Snapchat stories. With an improved 1.9 mm pixel point tip. Snap 2 quickly recharge in 1 hour with any micro USB cable and charger to get 12 hours of a battery life. Micro USB cable included in the packet. On number 3, Smartphone Printer. The new Instax Mini Link Smartphone Printer is the successor to the Instax Share SP2 Smartphone Printer. The Instax Mini Link will surely grab the attention through with its sleek and light body design, revamped app, fun social features and Bluetooth capability. Its user-friendly app experience will allow people to easily customize their photos with close to 30 fun and colorful frames. So create collage and split prints and prints photos from their videos. Also, the Instax Mini Link app will have 2 modes, print mode and fun mode. The photo prints in just 12 seconds after the image is sent from your smartphone, and approximately 100 photos can be printed continuously. On number 4, Lever Gear Cable Kit. Cable kit includes an adapter to charge other devices and SIM card eject tool. There is even a compartment to hold micro and nano SIM cards or micro SD cards, perfect for travelers and photographers. Cable kit is small enough to keep comfortably on your keychain and is also designed with a pocket clip so it stores securely in your pockets or bags. Use with any fast charge power source to quickly charge your phone. Also quickly synchronize and transfer image, videos, music and other file from USB port. It have 30-day money back guarantee if you change your mind, as well as lifetime guarantee against breaking or manufacturing defects. On number 5, Osmo Mobile 3 Combo. Osmo Mobile 3 Combo is a lightweight and portable 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer, compatible with iPhone and Android phones, with brushless motors features that provide smooth and real-time response to eliminate unwanted camera movements. A sleek and foldable design allows Osmo Mobile 3 to take anywhere. Weighting is just 405 gram, so it is portable, light and incredibly convenient. With a 3-axis gimbal that effectively reduces shaking footage, so Osmo Mobile 3 delivers a super smooth and stabilized image. A lightweight and ultra-responsive design reacts to your movements in real time, letting you focus more on the moment at hand. Get all the links in the description box. Thanks for watching.